In this video, we're going to look at our order statuses, and an order status, for example, to C1, we could go to our latest orders and just view a sample order, and then I'll scroll down, and right here where it says status, we have pending, canceled, shipped, and order status allows us to create our own types of statuses for our packaging. And you'll see in this drop down, if I wanted to update a status, I could do processed, shipped, complete, and update it, and it would just update the status in there to shipped complete, and the check mark means the customer's been notified. So how do we add our own? It's quite easy. Let me go back to the control panel. So we have our starting point right here, and we go to settings, order status. On the left we have the name, and on the right we have options which we can edit or delete it. We can also go to the very bottom and insert one. The first thing I'm going to do is just delete one. So this one that says new status, I'll go ahead and delete, and I'll say delete. Okay. And now new status is gone. What we're going to do now is go ahead and insert one, and this brings up a menu below, and order status, I'll say checking credit, and setting it default, we'll just have the drop down menu have that item selected. So for whatever you want to happen as soon as someone places an order, the status that you want it on would be the default. But I'm not going to make this the default. I'll go ahead and insert. Okay, so we have one called checking credit. Here's one called shipped complete. I'll go ahead and edit this one by clicking the edit button, and I can rename it. I'll just rename it to something else so it's obvious that I changed it. And shipping number 1 complete. And instead of pending, let's change processing to the default. This is only for an example. I'll click set as default and update. And now processing is the default. So if I go back to, let's say, process orders, and I'll just pick one, this one that's selected. I'll go ahead and edit the order and scroll down, and the order status. Now we have shipping number 1 complete added and checking credit added. So I could click one of these and choose to notify the customer. However, there's a tutorial on all of this and processing orders, and basically we can just set our own order status. It's pretty straightforward and simple, but if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to reach us at 800-260-1135.